Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve a very interesting Olympiad math problem that is m plus n equals 8 and the product of m n equals 20. You have to find the value of m and n. So we will start solving this question. This is the most viral problem and mostly asked in many competitive exams. So first of all, we will solve this as we will write m plus n equals 8 as equation 1 and this is the equation 1. Mn equals 20 as equation 2. Now we get n equals 8 minus m. Put in equation 2. So we get m into, in place of n we will write 8 minus m equals 20. Now solve this as we will multiply 8m minus m square equals 20. We get m square minus 8m minus 20 equals 0 plus 20. Make the factors of 20 such that when they are added gives 8. Now we will apply quadratic formula. So m equals minus b means minus 8 plus minus b square means 64 minus 4 of a, a is 1 and c is 20 divided by 2. So what we will get? We get m equals 8 plus minus 64 minus 80 divided by 2. So this is 64, 80 minus 64, we get 16. So m equals 8 plus minus 16 divide iota minus 16. In the next step we will substitute iota. So 8 plus minus root of 4 iota square, 4 square divided by 2. So m equals 8 plus minus 4 iota divided by 2. Now we will write its value here, that m equals what? M equals 4 plus minus 2 iota. So this is the value of m. So n equals 8 minus m, which means 8 minus 4 plus minus 2 iota. So this will become 8 minus 4 plus minus will be reversed because of this minus sign. And what we will get the value of n. So n will equals 4 minus plus 2 iota. So you can see we get the order pair m and n as in the two parts. First m equals 4 plus 2 iota, then n equals 4 minus 2 iota. When m equals 4 minus 2 iota, then n equals 4 minus plus 2 iota. So this is the solution. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also press the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another interesting Olympiad math problem. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.